we off to today, Cand?
So, as you've seen, we've just left Arundel. Lovely little village, but we thought while we're in this neck of the woods, we'd head down to Dungeness. And Kel, you've always wanted to go there, haven't you, to see Derek Jarman's place. So, we just thought, you know, it's, the sun's out a little bit more.
Red light and speed camera ahead.
But it's meant to be a bit more mysterious and a bit, I don't know, a bit eerie. So, I've never been there, Kel's never been there, so why not?
A bit dystopian. Meant to be a beautiful kind of destination to see. This cottage is called Prospect Cottage, quite famous in its distinctive look, so while we're here we might as well. So see what happens.
And we get to play the Christmas tunes while we're on our way there as a
bonus. Lovely sunny lunch in Dungeness.
Most people do picnics in the park. We do tuna mayo in the rain. Look at this weather. Look at it. Terrible. We had rain and wind yesterday. On the way here we started getting the blue sky, didn't we? And we thought, yes, we're going to be able to get the drone up. We're going to be able to have some blue sky. And then, regardless of whether there's blue sky or not, we saw a sign on the way in saying no drones, so that's a no-go. It's too windy anyway. But literally all we wanted to do was see Derek Jarman's house. There's not really anywhere to park. We just pulled in a bit of a lay-by where there's a couple of other cars as well, so we're just going to have a bit of lunch. I feel like we're a bit old before our time. Sitting in the car having our sandwiches. But hopefully we'll be able to get out, get a waterproof sun and just have a little mooch about. It is quite cool, isn't it? It's pretty eerie. We'll show you a bit of it, but I don't think it's going to be a long day out at all.
But we can say we've been and seen it. So.
Exactly. Another one we tick off the list. And we didn't film it actually, but we'll probably go back there at some point. We just drove through the village of Rye, which our grandparents talked about a bit as well. So quite glad we ticked that off. It's not been too bad a drive either, has it? So
no.
Vera's done well, bless her. Regardless of how much we look after or anything like that, which we do. But we did leave her alone for a few weeks, didn't we? And she's been as good as gold. So it was an amazing night last night as well.
Right, let's have some lunch.
Let's have some lunch. very, very cold. I'm not even sure if you can hear me through the wind, but wowzers.
Dungeness, depths of December, strangely quite beautiful. Not sure why. I think maybe bleak and dystopian's my kind of thing. Not sure if it's Cam's, but definitely my sort of thing, I think. There she is.
This is Kel's idea of a fun day out. She's dragged me to Dungeness, which, to be fair, I think if the sun was out and it was a bit warmer and less windy, it'll make a huge difference. But Kel's always wanted to come here to see Derek Jarman's house, so I'll show you that in a bit. We're just on our way there now. It's a very strange place. It's very strange, isn't it, Kel?
Well, what better way to honour a beautifully dystopian landscape than to visit it in the coldest, wettest day of the year so far.
And as a song we was just singing, in the bleak midwinter, very fitting. Yeah, again, just another place to tick off the list, but it's crazy weather here today. I don't know if it's because we're by the sea. We was going to walk down onto the beach bit, but I don't think my extremities will thank me for that. So you can see it behind me there. I don't know all the history. I know it's a famous artist and producer or something like that. I sound very ignorant, I know. Kel's the one with all the information on it. She's really into that sort of stuff. However, I do think that it's only right that we come back when the weather's a bit better. It's just really putting me off. I haven't got my gloves with me and my fingers are freezing. The wind is blowing, but again, it's just really creepy. Look at the front. I mean, it's just like wasteland. I've never seen anything like it. I heard of it, obviously, but yeah, first time I've ever been here. That's a good thing about Vera, you know. I've said this before, I think I said it on the last trip, that just getting us to go to different places that we've never been before, that are in our own country. On our doorstep, literally. 2 hours away again from our house. We've just driven 2 hours from our last trip before, so it's all around that area. I can't recommend enough getting a van. Not even a big van. Go car camping. Or just go out for the day. Just all it costs you is your petrol and your diesel. That is it. It's life changing for us. So as I was just saying, Kel, I was saying that I was a little bit ignorant, so I don't really know the information like you do, but I know it's obviously a famous artist and producer, and you know more.
Director.
Yeah, you're right, actors. But so what's the importance of this
I think they're just keeping
cottage?
Well, it's just where he chose to live his last years. And I think they're
Right, that's it from Dungeness, and that's it from us this week. We know we've been sharing some odds and sods and some in and out trips with you. We do want to start sharing more as and when we get on these trips. We're going to start sharing more just of our life in general as well. We've got some things going on in the background that we're pretty excited about, that we're going to be sharing as well. However, that is the end of this trip. We've done Arundel, which we shared with you last week, and now we've done Dungeness. And even though it has battered us with the rain and the wind, it's been so nice just to get away. And I think I've mentioned it numerous times now, but just not having the pressure. We had no idea that we was coming here or Arundel. We just decided off the fly, right, we need to give Vera a run, shall we go away for the night? And it was such a lovely night, and it doesn't matter what the weather's like really, it's the company, it's who you're with and what you're seeing, that's what makes it. But hope you all have a good week, and we'll catch up with you next week. Thanks for watching, hustlers. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for the rest of our journey. Who knows where we'll end up. See you next time.